Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's break down the economic implications of call-to-close ratio in a contact center. Let's start with the most powerful and visible economic impact of call-to-close ratio, revenue growth. Every call your team makes carries the potential to generate revenue. But the real game changer is how many of those calls actually convert. When close ratios go up, you're not just improving performance metrics, you're unlocking more sales or collections from the same call volume. Let's put this into perspective. Imagine making 10,000 calls with a 10% close ratio. That gives you 1,000 successful deals. Now, lift that close ratio to 15%. You're suddenly at 1,500 deals, that's 500 additional closures without spending a single extra dollar on dialing. No extra leads. No extra hours. Just smarter, more effective conversations. That's why even a small percentage improvement in call-to-close ratio can have an outsized impact on your top line. It's not just a metric, it's a revenue multiplier. Now, let's look at the cost side of the equation. Because call-to-close ratio doesn't just drive revenue, it directly shapes cost efficiency. When your close ratios are strong, every call is more productive. Fewer wasted dials. Fewer agent hours spent per deal. Lower telecom and operational costs. Think about it. If it takes fewer calls to close a sale or collect a payment, your cost to serve goes down. And when CTS goes down, your cost per acquisition or cost per collection becomes leaner and more profitable. This means the same team, the same infrastructure, and the same leads can deliver more results at a lower cost. In simple terms, high conversion ratios don't just make you money, they save you money. That's operational efficiency turning directly into financial impact. Let's talk about a critical business lever, return on investment for sales and marketing. Every lead, every ad, every dialer minute costs money. And whether that investment pays off depends on one key factor, your call-to-close ratio. When conversion ratios are high, every marketing dollar works harder. Your campaigns deliver stronger ROI. Lead lists, ad spends, and dialer costs are fully justified. The business sees a clear path from investment to revenue. But when conversion ratios are low, the opposite happens. Marketing dollars get burned on leads that don't convert. Your acquisition cost can even rise above the customer lifetime value, turning growth investments into losses. That's why improving call-to-close ratio isn't just about better sales performance. It's about protecting and amplifying your marketing ROI, making every dollar you spend work smarter, not harder. Now let's break down one of the most immediate and practical impacts of call-to-close ratio, workforce economics. In a contact center, your agent productivity is directly tied to how efficiently they can convert calls into closures. When ratios are high, agents can close more deals within the same shift. That means higher revenue per FTE, without increasing headcount. But when ratios are low, it's a very different story. You need more agents to hit the same targets. You take on higher hiring and training costs. And wage expenses climb, eating into your margins. This doesn't just affect day-to-day operations. It impacts your profitability curve and your ability to scale efficiently. High conversion ratios is equal to leaner teams, higher output, stronger margins. Low conversion ratios is equal to heavier staffing models and higher costs. That's why top-performing centers don't just look at occupancy or AHT. They closely watch call-to-close ratio as a workforce efficiency driver. Let's now look at one of the most financially sensitive areas in outsourced contact center operations, contract and SLA economics. In most BPO sales or collections contracts, revenue share, incentives, or performance bonuses are often directly tied to conversion rates. When close ratios are high, it's a win-win. The vendor unlocks incentive payouts. Margins get stronger. And the client sees real business impact, more sales, more collections, more revenue. But when ratios drop, the picture changes fast. SLA penalties kick in. Billing can be reduced. And client confidence can erode, putting renewals and future contracts at risk. That's why, in BPO models, call-to-close ratio isn't just an operational KPI, it's a commercial lever. It determines how much revenue is earned, how profitable a contract remains, and how strong the client-vendor relationship becomes over time. In short, high close ratios protect your margins, while low ratios put them on the line. Let's talk about the long game, the impact of call-to-close ratio on customer lifetime value and retention. Every time your team closes a sale or prevents a churn, you're not just earning one transaction, you're gaining or preserving a customer relationship. When close ratios are high, more customers are added to the base or retained over time. Each of those customers brings not only immediate revenue but also repeat purchases, cross-sells, upsells, and referrals that compound long-term value. This is the heart of customer lifetime value, the idea that one strong conversion today can create revenue streams for months or even years. And here's the key insight. High close ratios feed directly into CLV growth. CLV growth fuels sustainable business expansion. And retention strengthens overall profitability. Remember, effective calls don't just close deals, they build relationships. And those relationships are what power long-term business growth. Now let's shine a light on a cost that often hides in plain sight, opportunity cost. Every call your team makes consumes something valuable: agent time, wages, telecom costs, and system capacity. When a call doesn't close, all of that investment delivers zero return. And while one missed opportunity may seem small, poor close ratios amplify that loss across entire campaigns. Hundreds or thousands of calls without closure translate to massive amounts of time, money, and potential revenue left on the table. High-performing teams understand this isn't just about call volume, it's about call value. Strong conversion ratios minimize waste. Every dial contributes more meaningfully to revenue. And opportunity cost stays low, protecting both margin and momentum. Remember, every unclosed call isn't just a lost deal, it's lost time, lost investment, and lost potential. That's why boosting call-to-close ratio is one of the fastest ways to close the gap between effort and actual business impact. Let's wrap this up with one of the most strategic impacts of call-to-close ratio, scalability and growth. In a high-performing contact center, strong conversion ratios give you the power to grow without growing your costs at the same pace. Why? Because each agent, each dial, and each conversation produces more value. That means you can expand revenue without needing a massive increase in headcount or call volume. But when ratios are weak, the story flips. To achieve the same revenue, the business is forced to hire more agents, dial more numbers, and spend more. Your marginal cost of growth starts climbing, making expansion slower, heavier, and less profitable. High ratios is equal to efficient, scalable growth. Low ratios is equal to expensive, resource-hungry scaling. That's why top-performing operations treat call-to-close ratio as a strategic growth lever, not just a performance metric. Because when your close rate is strong, scaling isn't a struggle, it's a smooth, profitable runway. Now let's talk about one of the most transformative forces in modern contact centers, AI and automation ROI. AI isn't just a buzzword here. When applied to lead scoring, dynamic scripting, and agent coaching, it has the power to lift close ratios by 10 to 20%, sometimes even more in high-volume environments. And when close ratios rise, the financial impact is immediate and massive. For large contact centers, even a modest 10% lift can translate into millions of dollars in additional revenue without increasing dialing effort, staffing, or marketing spend. Smarter targeting through AI lead scoring. More effective conversations through adaptive scripts. Stronger performance through real-time coaching. All of this compounds to prove a clear, measurable ROI on AI investments. This is why forward-thinking leaders don't just see AI as a tech upgrade, they see it as a profit accelerator. When AI boosts call-to-close ratio, the numbers do the talking. Let's bring everything together and talk about why call-to-close ratio is more than just another performance KPI, it's an economic engine. This single metric defines the profitability of your sales and retention operations. When ratios are high, it's a powerful story. More revenue generated from the same call volume. Lower acquisition costs and leaner operations. Stronger marketing ROI and smoother scalability. But when ratios are low, the financial story flips. Revenue is lost. Cost to serve rises. Marketing spend gets wasted. SLA penalties and missed targets hurt profitability. And then comes the AI advantage. By boosting close efficiency through smarter lead scoring, adaptive scripting, and agent enablement, AI can unlock massive financial upside. In short, call-to-close ratio is the money metric of sales-driven contact centers. It's the lever that turns call volume into actual revenue, protects margins, and fuels sustainable growth. When this metric moves in the right direction, everything else follows. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.